Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I have now just had a live session where I'm trading binary option. If for some reason you did not see this live session, maybe it's because you are not subscribed to my channel or you have forgot to turn bell notification on. So fix these two things and also help me out. Push like on this video. More people that see this type of content, more people get into the live session and more fun it is for me to do this. Also, if you want to join my live session, it's much more fun if you have the same broker like me. So below the video you find a link to this broker, and there also are a promo code so you get 200% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. Okay, now I will now show you the result of how my trading did go in my live session today. Plus I will show you how I'm trading and I will tell you when the next live session will be. So let's go to the bar and let's take a look. As you can see up here now, my trading zone was up here in the red area. So this resistance up here is marked with red. I do it quite sorry for that. I do things quite easily. If I have a red line up here, I keep it the same color scheme as down. And if I have a line in the bottom, you see it blue now. If I'm trading, I put it to green. Blue means I'm just waiting to see if this area still is a thing. Because basically we are trading the tops and the bottoms. So if you get down here again, I will see if the support is keeping to the same level. That's why I keep it blue. And right away I have confirmed the area that is support. I turn it to green, so it's the same color as the up button, so you keep it very simple. So it's very easy for you to follow my trades. Now, how did we do now in the live session here today? We push my trades. So as you can see, we did today 4 trades and we won 3 of them. That means I did a profit of $190. I can also collect this cash back that I get from the trades I done today. So let's do that. We push here, it's collected. We got another $14. That means today our profit did turn into $204. It's not something crazy, but sometimes we don't get so many trades, and it's better to take few trades, keep to the rules, because if I've taken 20 trades here now and lost, let's say, 15 of them, well, you're losing money. So I'd rather take less trades and have a high win rate. Okay, so my next live session will be Monday next week, 07:30 GMT -3. I will in good time set up the live session so you can join me. So you can put the notification and all this good stuff so you don't lose the live session. So by then, make sure you sign up for this broker. If you want to join me with real money, make sure you use the promo code. But it's fine also to start with a demo account and see if you manage to follow. So with that, have an amazing day, and I hope I see you in Monday.